Hi, welcome to 910 Violet Street here in beautiful Genoa City. My name is Margaret Labus. I'm a member of the Starboard Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Stark Real Estate. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bath on a double lot with a great detached garage and fenced yard. Let's take a look. The perfect getaway or full-time residence, this well-maintained ranch on a quiet dead-end street is close to the lake, a short drive to Lake Geneva, yet peaceful and private. 2 bedrooms, 1 renovated bath, and new stainless steel appliances, newer washer and dryer, replacement windows, and a newer roof all make it easy to live on Violet Road. Outside, you'll find a paver patio and a deck with a hot tub overlooking the fenced yard. The oversized 2+ car garage is fully insulated and heated. The access gate and parking area allows for secure storage of trailers, RVs, and more. Great storage in the newer shed. Located near the shores of Pell Lake, but just minutes to Highway 12 and the Wisconsin-Illinois border, an oasis. So thanks for taking the tour with me here at W910 Violet Street here in beautiful Genoa City. If you have any questions about this house, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help any way that we can. If you'd like more information on our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood information, and tips and tricks in leading your best lake life. Cheers!